Morning, everybody. So, welcome back to Figs Outside. Today we're going to do a little unboxing. It's not your typical unboxing of gear, but it is kind of outside and outdoorsy. So, we're going to give it a whirl. And I've been seeing this commercial, their commercials, on YouTube and on Facebook for quite a while now. So I finally decided to go ahead and give them a try. But the commercials are hilarious. So, but it's a company that claims to be all natural, no chemicals, no parabens, no nothing bad. It's all natural. So there it is. Dr. Squatch. Dr. Squatch. They've got the commercials with the blonde guy with the long flowing locks and all that. So I ordered some of their soap. So what we got here is we got this is their Dr. Squatch soap saver, and it smells really good as well. But it's supposed to, your bar soap's supposed to lay on there, it lets the water drain throughout those holes. But there's that. And I mean, maybe this stuff will work good for hunting season as well. You know, if the soaps smell really well, and it's better. It's going to be better than you know, your big box stores soap, Zest, and all that, which has a false smell, a fake smell. So this one here is their Golden Moss Scrub, right there. And the story is, let's see what it says. Yeah, the story says, we all have human obligations, but as men, we still desire to be wild, free, and natural like a Sasquatch. Turn your shower up a notch and unleash your inner man with Dr. Squatch soap that's full of the simple and natural ingredients your body loves and deserves. Made from natural oils, no harsh chemicals, handcrafted, and please recycle. So this is their Gold Moss Scrub. It's the saponified oils of olive, palm oil, and coconut, shea butter, lye, water, natural fragrance, sea salt, kaolin clay, and iron oxide for coloring. So it's the Gold Moss Scrub. Smells pretty good. Smells really woodsy, so that's good. And this is their pine tar. Saponified oils, olive, sustainable palm, coconut, shea butter, lye, pine tar, oatmeal, sand, sea salt, and activated charcoal and kaolin clay. And I read this that it has a little bit of sand in it in the oatmeal for exfoliation. So that's always pretty awesome. And it smells really good. It smells like the woods. It smells like a pine tree or a fir tree. So, and it even says right there, exfoliating bar. And we also have citrus cedar, all natural goodness. So, saponified oils, olive, sustainable palm, coconut oil, shea butter, lye, essential oils of orange, cedar, rosemary, sea salt, and kaolin clay. And all this stuff is made in the USA, so that's really awesome. That smells really good as well. It has a little bit of a cedar smell to it, with a little bit of like zest, like orange or something. So anyway, and I also ordered the Men's Daily shampoo and conditioner. And it says, guys, for too long we've been lathering up with harsh detergents. That's why we came up with our shampoo that contains 100% natural ingredients and is infused with hair strengthening plants and herbs. Take care of your hair the right way. And so it's got nettle, essential vitamins for strengthening hair. Burdock root helps thicken and stimulate hair growth. Tea tree soothes dry scalp and repairs hair damage. And that is on the Dr. Squatch Men Moisturizing Shampoo. And so for the Dr. Squatch Men's Daily Conditioning, and I'll probably be using this stuff on my beard as well. They also have beard care also. So this one's got calendula, hydrates hair and repairs dry scalp. Peppermint stimulates scalp and hair follicles for growth. And clary sage helps restore pH balance to hair. So, and also both products right there made in the USA. So that's pretty awesome. Let's check this out. I don't know how this stuff smells. Oh, it's got a little cap on it. Yeah, it smells good. I'm not sure if that's the burdock root or what, but it's called Cypress Coast. But yeah, it smells really good. And this one is the Cool Citrus. That's the daily conditioner. So let's check this one out as well. Yeah, that's kind of citrusy. So, but I believe they don't go really well together. So anyway, 100% natural, sulfate, paraben free. Check them out on YouTube. They have some hilarious videos. Check out their website, drsquatch.com. So thanks for hanging out with me and listening to this. And I just thought it was kind of funny, and their commercials, yeah, when you see their ads, you'll get a kick out of it. So thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Yeah, hope you have a good day. Take care.